Hello guys, today we're opening a Tier 3 Wave 5 Naruto Kayou booster box. I think it's the last Tier 3 box, the one we didn't open yet. So I'm pretty curious what cards we can get. See, there is the stamp of 20th anniversary, so we might get some nice cards out of it. I hope we get something we didn't have yet. So we didn't get any NR cards before, or what else? BP. I think there are some BP cards that we don't have. Okay, the box looks very good. It's in quite good condition. It has some bends, but I don't think the cards are don't have any damage. So they are split in two. I think there are like 10 packs in a row. Yeah, so we have 20 packs to open. And yeah, we should start it. So that's how the packs look. They do look very good. I like the Gara on them. I think it's the first that we have with Gara on the cover. And we get Gara's father in the first pack, an SR of it. Got an R, a second R, third R, we should have a Chibi, and we got a TGR of Sakura. That's pretty nice, we don't have it. Then another R, oh, and that's it. Now they feel quite different, but I'm tripping, I don't know. I don't think they fake Kayou cards. It has all the labels and everything. Let's see, the second pack we have an SR of Naruto, a TR of Himawari, Naruto SR, Kushina, I forgot his name, and our first SSR of the pack, of the box, it's Orochimaru SSR. Here we got Sasuke SR. At the back we have TR of Sasuke. An R, Rock Lee, and we got our first hit, an AR of Hidan. Yeah, it's a gold one. I think there also are some silver variants of them. These Tier 3 are much better than Tier 1 or 2. We got an SR of Ino, TR of Deidara, an R, the second R, and for the hit we got a UR of Might Guy. We get an SR of Neji for the TR. Oh, it's a TGR of Boruto. And I don't think we have this one. SR of Neji, R of Naruto, second R, and for the hit we got an SSR of Itachi. Yeah, this Itachi card looks so good with the foil on it. Got an SR of Sarada. For the TR we got Shikamaru. Okay, SR Sarada. Another R, Shoji. And for the hit we got an SSR of Kiba, doing his jutsu with Akamaru. Okay, we got an SR of Konohamaru, and I don't think we have this one. A TR of Naruto, we have that a few times. Shikadai, Sasuke, and for the hit we got an SSR of, what's his name? Kotetsu? No, not Kotetsu. Yeah, I forgot his name, but he's a member of the Akatsuki. Okay, we got an SR. This might be Kotetsu, I'm not sure. For the TR we got Ino. And this SR I think we don't have it. We got an R of Sakura, Karin, and for the hit another SSR of Gaara. Yeah, it's going with the box and the cover of the packs. So the highest we got until now it's an AR. Okay, let's see, we got an SR of Tenten. For the TR we got Naruto from the Boruto series. Okay, Tenten. Then we got Sasuke R, Sakura, and for the hit we got an SSR of Ino. Kiba SR. For the TR, oh, it's a TGR of Mitsuki, and I don't think we have that. Kiba SR. Might Guy. Forgot his name. And for the hit, we don't have a hit in that pack. It's another R of Might Guy. Okay, we got an SR of Lee, and it's a new one, I didn't see this one before. For the TR we got Shikamaru again, KSR Lee, Neji, Akashi, and for the hit, oh, I see we got an OR of Naruto. Oh, and we don't have this one. Look how beautiful it is. Naruto as the Hokage. Yeah, I think here is like written Naruto or something in Chinese. I'm not sure about it, maybe. I think that's the favorite card we got in this, my favorite card we got in this box. I really like the OR cards. We got an SR for the chibi cards we got Hinata as a child, an SR, Kakashi, Gamabunta, and another R of Naruto. So we got 2 unlucky packs. Okay, we got an SR of Choji, a Chibi Sakura from the Boruto series, got a Naruto, Mifune, and an SSR of Sarada. We don't have a lot of packs left, so I hope we get something good. We got an SR for the chibi. There is Haku, if I'm not mistaken, Sakura, Mitsuki, and for the hit, another R of Little Gara. Yeah, so that's the 3rd pack where when we don't have a hit. We got Sakura SR, I like how the light reflects on this color. A TGR of Might Guy, Sakura SR, Sakura R, another Sakura. That's a Sakura pack. And if the UR is also of Sakura, let's see, the UR is of I forgot how she was called, Yugato or something. Yeah, but I don't think we have this one. We got the Kankuro SR for the chibi, a TGR of Hashirama. The TGR has more foils than the TR. Choji, another Kankuro, and for the hit we got an SSR of Choji. We just have 4 more packs, so I hope we get something good. Let's see. An SR of Sasuke, a TR of Chocho, Iruka Sensei, and for the hit we got another UR of forgot his name. He will be Hokage in the Hidden Mist, but I forgot his name. And unfortunately I don't read Chinese, so okay, let's see. We got Sasuke SR, Ino TR, Sakura, Naruto, and another Naruto R. We got an SR of Gara. For the chibi one we got Sarada, Sasuke, Temari, and another R of Udon. Okay, we are at the last pack. Let's see if we can get something higher than AR. Or I'd love like OR, if not higher than AR. Okay, let's see. We got an SR of Neji, a TGR of Naruto, and we don't have this one in our collection, Neji, Konohamaru, Sai, and for the last hit, yeah, we got a new art of Sakura, UR Sakura. We don't have this one in our collection, and I think it looks quite good with that pink. Yes. Okay, let's see how many cards we got. So that's the pile of R cards that we got in this box. There are quite a few, not as many as in the Tier 1 box, so that's good. These are all the SR cards. Let's see them. There are a few that I don't have in my collection, so I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, these were all the SR cards. Let's go and see the chibi ones. TR and TGR. That's one I didn't have before. Sarada, Ino, Chocho, Hashirama, Might Guy, Haku, Sakura, Hinata, Shikamaru, Mitsuki, Naruto, Ino, Naruto, Shikamaru, Boruto, Deidara, Sasuke, Himawari, and TGR Sakura. Now for the hits, we have UR Sakura, UR, an SSR, another UR, SSR, OR, and I really like this one. This one and the Sakura one are my favorites from this box that we received, of course. SSR Gara, Itachi, UR Might Guy, AR Hidan, and SSR of Orochimaru. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, 14. We got 14 out of 20 boxes of SSR or greater. That's a really nice ratio, I think. 14 out of 20. But okay, let's see how many we got greater than SSR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 6 packs we got something greater than SSR. So it's 6 out of 20. I'm not sure if it's like usual, but that's what we got. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with another box opening. I'm not sure what it will be, Naruto, Marvel, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, but we'll see. Thank you guys and see you soon.